In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Apex Legends account to Steam. Linking your accounts makes cross-progression work seamlessly, so your levels, unlock legends, skins, and achievements travel with you when you play through Steam. Before you start, have access to both your EA account and your Steam account, and make sure you're signing in on the official sites in a secure browser window. First, go to EA.com and sign into your EA account using your usual credentials. If you use extra security, complete the verification as prompted. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and select your profile icon. From there, choose Account Settings. In the Settings page, open the Connected Accounts section in the left sidebar. This is where EA shows all the platforms you can connect. In the list of platforms, locate Steam. Next to Steam, select Link or Continue. This starts the connection flow. Follow the on-screen prompts. A secure Steam sign-in window will appear. Sign into your Steam account to authorize EA to connect. Double-check that this is the Steam account you actually use for Apex Legends on PC, then approve the authorization. If you're already signed into Steam in your browser, you may just need to confirm the permission instead of entering anything. When the authorization completes, return to your EA account settings and confirm that Steam now shows as connected. That confirms the EA side is linked. Next, open your Steam library and check that Apex Legends appears as expected. From now on, your Apex Legends progress, cosmetics, and achievements will sync across platforms through cross-progression. That means you can play on Steam and keep everything you've earned associated with your EA account. It can take a few minutes for everything to populate, especially big inventories, so don't worry if items show up gradually. You also don't need to reinstall Apex. The connection is tied to your accounts, not your local files. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.